Next theorem which we are going to learn regarding is property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Property of an exterior angle of a triangle. See, what do you mean? Exterior angle का meaning मैंने आपको समझाया. Exterior angle क्या होती है आपने पहले भी study किया है. See, this is nothing but this is the exterior angle of the triangle, and these two are the remote interior angles. This is the adjacent angle, as I explained you first also. Now, what is the property of this exterior angle of a triangle? The sum of two positive numbers, that is a and b, is greater than a and greater than b also. That is, जो आपका जो a प्लस बी होगा वो ग्रेटर होगा a से, या तो a प्लस बी जो है वो ग्रेटर हो सकता है b के साथ पे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यूजिंग ये जो इक्वलिटी है, यूजिंग दिस इनइक्वलिटी वी गेट वन प्रॉपर्टी रिलेटेड टू द एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. सॉरी, आई टोल्ड इक्वलिटी बट इट इज इनइक्वलिटी. यूजिंग दिस इनइक्वलिटी, ये जो इनइक्वलिटी है इसके अनुसार से वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम. हाउ इट इज? सपोज दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल, PRS is the exterior angle of the triangle. As I told you, leaving its adjacent angle, the remote interior angles which is remaining, the exterior angle will be equal to, with the exterior angle is, the exterior angle is greater than, the exterior angle is greater than this A, and if you are considering this A, and if you are considering this as B, जो exterior angle होता है वो क्या होता है? greater होता है किससे? remote interior angle से. Which are the remote interior angles? over here P and Q are the remote interior angles, and suppose you are considering it as A and you are considering it as B, so exterior angle is greater than the this also and as well as this also. This is the property of an exterior angle of a triangle. This you have to write in your notebook. Property of an exterior angle of a triangle. This diagram you have to draw, and if angle PRS, suppose this PRS is an exterior angle of this triangle, given triangle PQR, then PRS will be greater than this angle QPR as well as PQR. Okay, these all you have to write. An exterior angle of a triangle is greater than each of its remote interior angles. So while solving the sum, if this point is coming this reason, you have to mention. It will give you half mark. If you are not mentioning the reason, then you will lose your marks. For each and every sum of this type, if you are connected with exterior angle and this point is to be mentioned, then you have to mention this statement.